everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And if you have been following the AI news, you must be knowing that recently Claude code source code has been leaked because of the NPM registry. So in the previous videos, I've already covered a few things about this leak. Now this one is a very important one, trying to understand why the leak happened, and hence don't install NPM right now. So if you have in corporate, you might have received some mails stating that you should not be installing NPM. What's the entire issue? Why did Claude code got leaked? We will try to understand today. So as you can see in the tweet that went viral, Claude code source code has been leaked by a map file in the NPM registry. So what is the entire chaos? Let's try to understand. Don't install NPM. 5 lakh lines of code export. But do remember that it was not a hack, it was not a breach, but human error. As you can see, 0.5 million lines of codes exposed through a single npm install. This was Claude code for you. It got leaked a few days back. Everyone was making joy, and this was because of an npm install that has happened. This is a common command that you might have also used in your system, but being so dangerous, you never thought of it. What was inside? So basically, there was a file name called as cli.js.map, which was about 60 MBs. Full TypeScript source code embedded. So in the release that happened, it has a file cli.js.map. What are source maps? So first of all, let's try to understand that cli.js.map. It's a compiled JS file, minimized and obfuscated, and original code. It has the original code. So readable TypeScript. Development tool for debugging. So these map files basically are used in npm for debugging your entire code, and hence this code, that 60 MB map file, has the entire Claude code for you, which got leaked. Source maps in production equals to full code exposure. By mistake, the team uploaded the map file for Claude code in their production base. It includes the file structure, function names, and readable code also. So nothing is hidden, everything gets exposed to the world with just one push. The build tool, it was one JavaScript runtime, generate source maps by default. So first of all, the code was in TypeScript, build and JS plus source map are getting created, which got pushed to production, leading to this big leak. The missing config, no .npm ignore. So this is a very common mistake that you do. So basically, if you are pushing any files to GitHub also or Bitbucket also, you might have observed a file called as git ignore, which is very important. So while pushing the code, you need to mention the files which should not be pushed to production in the git ignore file or the npm ignore file, which the team missed, and they paid a very heavy price. That is, the entire code got pushed to production in the map file, and hence everyone has access to it now. With npm ignore, if you have it, the source code won't have been pushed. The exposure flow. 4 simple steps to export. So what happened? The one creates cli.js plus cli.js.map. Packing was done of the code, but no npm ignore file was there. It was published. npm uploads everything and downloads. Anyone gets full access. So whomsoever after the npm install the updates to the npm downloaded it, got the source code. Do remember that it was not a malicious attack. No hackers tried hacking the code. It was a simple human error. It's simply like pushing a password to production. Not a breach. What it was, human error, packaging mistake, and public package. What it wasn't, it was not a hack. No credentials were stolen. No data was compromised. The real risk, I think vulnerabilities, code logic became readable, easier to find exploits, and security analysis trivial. Internal features, I think hidden APIs were also exposed. That a big cause. Development flags visible, internal logic revealed, and malicious clone. I think now I can see multiple GitHub repos like OpenClaw and Claw code, etc. like this, which are getting created based on the source code for Claude code. How to prevent this? I think this is a mistake done by a huge AI company, that is Anthropic, but you should not do it. Check your build. That's the most important part. npm pack double hyphen dry hyphen run inspects what gets shipped. This is very important. Verify package contents and test before publishing. Use .npm ignore. I think it's not a miss. You can't miss this one. Exclude the .map files for sure. No source code should get pushed. Protect source maps. Never ship in production the source map. This is the most important part. npm install is not harmless. One file, one config, one publish, and everything becomes public. So this was the entire case why Claude code got exposed, got published in public. You should ignore it with the production code and be careful. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.